Good day, everyone. In this presentation, I will explain our activity on investigation process mapping in case-based investigation analysis. Overview of the activity. This activity is divided into two major parts. Creating a flowchart of the anti-illegal drug investigation process from the intelligence stage up to post-operation procedures. Analyzing a simulated case to check if the operation followed the legal requirements under RA 9165 and PNP procedures.
Part 1. Investigation Process Mapping. For the first part, we were instructed to consult a visual process map or flowchart showing all the major stages of an anti-drug operation. This includes intelligence gathering, planning and coordination, pre-operation briefing, actual operation, arrest and evidence handling, post-operation procedures, documentation and filing of charges. The flowchart helps us understand how each stage is connected and what steps must be followed to ensure a legal and successful operation. We use tools like Lucid Chart or Canva to represent the process clearly and professionally.
Focus of the mapping task. In this part of the activity, we needed to identify each operational stage, highlight which agency or personnel is responsible at each step, show how procedures are linked together, demonstrate the proper sequence of actions in drug-related operations. This helps reinforce our understanding of how investigation should legally and operationally unfold.
The part 2, we have the case-based investigation analysis. The second part involves analyzing a stimulated anti-drug operation case. Here we break down what happened in the scenario and check were the correct procedures followed. Were there any violations of RA 9165? Did the officers comply with PNP operational standards? Were there lapses or missing steps? We then create an annotated process map showing an actual steps taken in the case. A written analysis explaining whether each stage complied with the law or deviated from it. This part requires critical thinking because we must compare the ideal proceed.
Assessment criteria. Our work is evaluated based on accuracy of our procedural mapping, integration of legal frameworks, particularly Republic Act 9165 and PNP guidelines, identification of agency roles and responsibilities, critical evaluation of compliance, lapses, or procedural gaps. This ensures that our output is both legally grounded and operationally accurate.
Purpose of the entire activity. This activity helps us understand the proper investigation flow in anti-drug operation, recognize the legal requirements that officers must follow, gain skills in analyzing real-world scenarios, strengthen our ability to identify violations and procedural errors. It trains us not just to know the law, but to apply incorrectly in actual investigative situation. In summary, the activity combines processing mapping, legal analysis, and critical evaluation to strengthen our competence in handling anti-drug investigation procedures. It teaches us both the correct operational sequence and the legal standards that ensures accountability and justice. Thank you, and that ends our explanation.